Welcome to today's video. I'm excited to take you on a tour of the best bird park in Singapore, which just opened in 2023. This state-of-the-art park is a must-visit for bird lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll explore 6 must-see areas within the park. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of these incredible attractions. Taking the bus to Bird Paradise in Singapore is a convenient and eco-friendly way to reach this stunning new attraction. Welcome to the entrance of Bird Paradise. As you stand at the gateway to this magnificent park, you're about to embark on an unforgettable journey through some of the most incredible avian habitats and exhibits. If you haven't bought your tickets online, you can purchase them at the ticketing booths. Grab a park map and brochure to help navigate and plan your visit. Penguin Cove at Bird Paradise in Singapore is a captivating attraction that offers visitors an immersive experience into the lives of various penguin species. This state-of-the-art exhibit is designed to closely mimic the natural icy habitats of penguins, providing a comfortable and realistic environment for these fascinating birds. Key highlights: diverse penguin species. The exhibit features several penguin species, including emperor penguins, rockhopper penguins, king penguins, and gentoo penguins. Each species brings its own unique charm and behaviors to the exhibit. Naturalistic habitat. Penguin Cove replicates the cold, icy environments penguins thrive in, complete with realistic rock formations, icy water pools, and a controlled climate. Interactive viewing areas. Visitors can enjoy both above-water and underwater viewing windows, offering a comprehensive look at the penguins' activities on land and their agile swimming underwater. Educational displays. Informative displays and interactive screens throughout the exhibit provide educational insights into the different species, their habitats, behaviors, and conservation efforts. Feeding sessions and talks. Scheduled feeding times and educational talks by park experts offer deeper insights into the penguins' diets, behaviors, and the challenges they face in the wild. Penguin Cove is a must-visit for anyone interested in learning more about these resilient and endearing birds. The combination of immersive environments, educational content, and up-close viewing opportunities makes it a highlight of Bird Paradise, ensuring a memorable and enriching experience for visitors of all ages. Navigating Bird Paradise is made easy with the convenient park shuttle bus service. Here's a guide to help you take the shuttle bus from Station 1 to Station 2, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey through the park. Wetlands is one of the most visually stunning and immersive exhibits at Bird Paradise, showcasing the beauty and diversity of wetland ecosystems. Here's a quick overview of what makes this area a must-visit. Vibrant bird species. Highlights include the striking scarlet ibis, elegant flamingos, and the distinct roseate spoonbills, all known for their vivid colors and unique features. Naturalistic habitat. The exhibit replicates a lush wetland environment with abundant vegetation, shallow pools, and flowing streams, creating a serene and calming atmosphere. Educational displays. Informative signage and interactive stations provide insights into the birds' behaviors, diets, and conservation statuses, enhancing the educational value of the visit. Bird feeding sessions. Scheduled feedings offer visitors a chance to see the birds up close and learn about their diets from park caretakers, with opportunities for participation. Photography opportunities. The picturesque setting and close-up views of the birds provide ample opportunities for stunning photography. Crimson Wetlands offers a vibrant and engaging experience, perfect for learning about and appreciating the diverse avian life in wetland habitats. Whether you're capturing photos, attending feeding sessions, or simply enjoying the serene environment, this exhibit is a highlight of bird paradise. Enjoying a good meal is an essential part of your visit to bird paradise. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or a leisurely dining experience, these restaurants and cafes offer a variety of options to suit every taste and preference. At Bird Paradise, visitors can enjoy immersive outdoor experiences watching birds feeding and flying freely. The flight aviary provides a natural habitat for birds, with feeding stations and flight demonstrations allowing up-close observation. The sky-high lookout offers panoramic views, while the open-air amphitheater hosts educational presentations and flight demonstrations. Natural trails wind through the park, offering birdwatching opportunities and educational signage. By exploring these outdoor areas, tourists can connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of avian life in a serene and scenic environment. At Bird Paradise, the Sky Amphitheater offers a captivating outdoor venue where visitors can enjoy mesmerizing bird performances amidst the beauty of nature. Surrounded by lush greenery and aviaries, this open-air setting provides panoramic views and an immersive experience. Trained staff conduct educational presentations, showcasing the natural behaviors and flight abilities of various bird species. Highlights include thrilling flight demonstrations by majestic birds of prey, colorful parrot showcases, and immersive experiences in the free flight aviary. These performances combine entertainment, education, and natural beauty, making the Sky Amphitheater a must-visit destination within Bird Paradise for visitors of all ages.
You might see the footprints of a jaguar and spot a red howler. Everyone look around you! Clinic, where hundreds of birds gather every day to live up on clay. Now this clinic is the largest of its kind in the world.
Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes right up there. Let's all welcome Adrian and Ferrari. Our beautiful scarlet squirrels. Now in a very short while, these birds will fly over to the clear wall right over here. Okay? So Adrian and Ferrari, please make your next stop. Right here. There you go. So as you know, macaws have very sharp and pointy bills. But because of that, they tend to eat. East Asia,
Yes, go! Okay, stop now. Now welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore, home to 3,500 birds from over 400 avian species. So Mona, you want to see more? Okay, look right up there. No, want to see more birds? No birds. Okay. So speaking about seeing more birds, let's welcome Kitty the green winged macaw. Hello, Kitty. Right over there. beautiful slide. Now, look at him. So, this is Higgins and here's the green-winged macaw. Now, green-winged macaw is the second largest in the macaw family. And yeah, he's about 10 years old.
So right here with me, this is Katie, our Southern crested cockatoo. Cockatoos like Katie can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. So how do these birds get their name? You see those feathers on their head? That is called the crest. Southern is why they're known as Southern crested cockatoos.
So, parents, they mate for life and make devoted parents. Now, they use abandoned tree cavities, just like this tree hollow, to build a nest.
Alright, so speaking about nest materials, they use are items such as dried leaves, twigs, and even tree barks. So the tree cavity happens to be very small, you'll use the strongest powerful beaks to enlarge them. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's see the birds in action!
Good job.
Really
Run
good, right?
over here. Let me try to get her attention. Kitty, right here. Right here. Kitty. Hey. Kitty, right over here. Come on. Let's go here.
Okay, how about the easy for the bird, okay?
Looks like Kitty is a little bit playful this afternoon. There you go. Okay. Thank you.
John, you're there. Okay, that's the sound of our rooster. Oh, Wani, look! Rooster right there!
Sabrina, that is not the rooster. No, the rooster is right over here.
Okay. Hold on, you know I'm a birder, right?
Yes.
So that's obviously a parrot, an Amazon parrot.
Okay, so you don't believe me. You know what? Just stand there and you listen. Okay? Quincy, rooster.
Everybody understood that was amazing.
In the wild, he would have not survived, so he was nursed back to health and has found a safe and permanent home with us.
Oh, that's a really nice story. Thank you for sharing, Wani. Okay, so let's talk about some facts about hornbills. Okay, so hornbills, they can be found in Africa and Asia. And these beautiful birds, they have a distinctive feature. So now these birds have got 3 toes out front and broad soles, and that gives them the strength and the stability to hop up and down branches. Okay, Wani, do you want to have some facts?
Oh, their tongues. So let's try that again.
Very ambitious throw. Okay, we're going to try that again. Okay, let's watch the action of the bird catching the prey. There you go. So now these birds, they can even catch their prey when they are in mid-flight. So Shara is going to toss up the juicy food for Oris. Alright, are you ready? Get in position on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, up it goes! In this region. And here's a fun fact. In Borneo, where hornbills can be found, people have believed they haven't still hornbill flying over an area or even their village, they are known to be blessed with conures. Perfect landing, great job. Now, that is an enrichment device we've landed on. It's called a monkey fist.
It is rope tied into knots, and what we've done is we've hidden treats inside for the birds to forage. This helps to bring up the birds' natural behaviors. Conures can be found in South America. Once widespread, they are now sadly endangered. It's allowing me to learn that there are actually more conures in people's homes than in the wild. But as you can see, they are social animals and are happiest in flocks. So please do not buy or keep one as a pet. Alright, let's see if one will lead the way and the rest will follow. Who wants to lead the way this morning? We have two Gen-Day conures. Can you see the two green ones at the top and two sun conures? Did you know that there are more than 40 species of conures? Once again, I need everyone to remain seated as people standing up might be a distraction to the bird. Okay, so Silver, can you still suck it? As you can see, these birds can travel for hundreds of miles for 24 hours.
Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos and never miss out on exciting content. We appreciate your support and look forward to hearing from you again soon. Until next time, take care and happy bird watching.